Welcome back. I've got something to show you today. It's the difference between yarn over and yarn under. A lot of people don't know that there's a difference, but there is. So let me show you the difference now. Whenever you're working a stitch, you want to insert your hook, and then you want to have the yarn come over the hook from the back to the front. You don't want to have the yarn go under the hook. You want to have it go over. That's a yarn over. And whenever a pattern says yarn over, that's what you do. To finish a single crochet, you want to yarn over the back of the hook to the front. You don't want to yarn under. See, the hook is under the yarn. The yarn is over the hook from the back to the front. That is a yarn over. And when you yarn over, the bottom of your single crochet is nice and even. These yarns do not cross. I'm going to show you a yarn under. If I yarn under here, and I yarn under here, see the bottom of my stitch? This yarn is crossing over that yarn. See the difference between this one and that one? This is incorrect if you're trying to do a regular single crochet. Let me do the yarn over again. Here's the yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Here's the yarn under. You just scoop it up like that. That's twisting things around, and you scoop it up, you yarn under and go through there. So let's look at those again. This one is yarn over and this one is yarn over. This is yarn under and this is yarn under. If you're taking the Crochet Guild of America Masters program, you will be counted wrong. Your stitches will be counted wrong if you're doing the yarn under instead of the yarn over. So you want to always do a yarn over when you're working your stitches. The same thing if you're doing a double crochet. You yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So get in the habit of doing yarn overs as soon as you learn to crochet, and you'll be much better off. I hope you've learned a lot from this short video on the difference between yarn over and yarn under. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and happy crocheting!